Welcome students. Today let us see what is box culvert and also learn the design of box culvert. If the discharge in a drain or channel crossing a road is very small, or if the bearing capacity of the soil at that particular area is low, then a box culvert is ideal bridge structure. Now box culvert consists of a RCC box like it is shown in the picture here. So it's like a box or it is a series of boxes. It can be either one box or it can be 3, 4, 5 boxes also. So it's basically the RCC box of square or rectangular opening with span generally restricted to 4 meters. So the span of this is restricted to 4 meters. Okay. The box is rigid frame structure and both the horizontal and vertical members are made of solid slab. So this horizontal member, two vertical members, so two walls and two slabs, one at the bottom and one at the top. So the horizontal and vertical members are made of solid slab. Now these particular structures are symmetrical along x-axis and y-axis. So when you are designing, only one quarter of the box culvert can be designed and it can be assumed for the entire structure. Okay, so they are usually named as horizontal structures, the slabs which are at the top and bottom, and the vertical structures or vertical members are the two walls. The dead load and live load are distributed almost uniformly over a wider area as the bottom slab serves as the raft foundation. So it forms like a raft because it's a full solid slab. It serves as a raft foundation for the structure. Now it is also suitable for non-perennial streams where the core depth is not significant but the subgrade soil is very weak. For high embankments, an ordinary culvert will require very heavy abutments, which will be expensive, and also it will transfer very heavy loads to the foundation. So for high embankments, we should usually go for the box culvert. Now, if you consider the design method or design consideration for box culvert, it is considered as a rigid frame and the culvert is analyzed for critical loading condition. There are three conditions which the box culvert is designed for and they are the critical loading condition. The first one is there is a live load, you have to consider the dead load and earth pressure being present and no water pressure from inside. So there won't be any flow in the drain. So you can take the example of the picture that is shown here. So there is a live load, so there's a car moving on top, there's a dead load of the structure, obviously we cannot ignore that. Because of the filling here, so there is the horizontal earth pressure on both the vertical walls, but water is not flowing through. Right now it is dried up, there is no water, so there is no water pressure that is going through. So now it is not always that there has to be a water drain below, it can be another roadway that can go beneath. Okay. The second critical loading condition is there will be a live load, there will be a dead load and earth pressure acting from outside and water pressure from inside. So there is a flow of water in the drain. So there will be a lateral pressure, earth pressure from outside and water pressure from inside. And the third critical condition is you have to consider the live load, dead load acting on top slab and water pressure acting from inside and no lateral pressure due to live load. So there won't be any lateral pressure that will be acting due to live load. So these are the three conditions for which we are supposed to design the box culvert, or we need to check the movement or the effect due to these three loading conditions, and then we have to conclude providing the steel and giving the detailing. In the next video, let us learn how to design the box culvert. Thank you.